In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in Xero. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to keep their Xero account organized, ensuring that duplicate entries don't clutter up your contacts list. So let's dive right in and simplify your contact management system with just a few clicks. To begin, the first step is to log into your Xero account. Go ahead and navigate to the Xero login page using your web browser. If you've already saved your credentials, you should see a quick login option. Otherwise, just input your email and password and click on the login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the Xero dashboard, a hub for all your accounting activities. Next, direct your attention to the navigation bar and click on the Contacts tab. This is where all your business and personal contacts are listed. Once you're there, click on All Contacts to see a comprehensive view of every contact you have stored in your Xero account. This view will allow you to easily manage your contacts and identify any duplicates that might be present. Now that you're looking at your contact list, the next step is to locate the specific contacts you wish to merge. This can be easily done by using the search bar at the top of the contacts page. Enter the name of the contact you want to work with, and a list of matches will display. Click on the contact to open their details page. Once you are on the contact's details page, look for the option labeled Merge. Clicking this button will initiate the merging process, and you'll be prompted to type in the name of the contact that you want to merge with the current one. Start typing the name and Xero will automatically display possible matches from your contact list. Carefully select the correct contact to merge with. With the contact selected, go ahead and click on Merge. This action will combine the data from both contacts, ensuring that all relevant information is saved under one entry, helping to streamline your contact records. After this, you'll be asked to confirm the merge. This is a crucial step to ensure that what you're about to do is intentional and avoid any accidental merges. Click on Confirm Merge to finalize the process, and that's it. You've successfully merged the contacts in your Xero account. By regularly performing this task, you can keep your contact list organized and up to date, ensuring better efficiency in your accounting workflow. I hope this guide has been helpful and enhances your experience with using Xero. Remember that keeping your data organized is key to running a smooth operation, and merging contacts is just one of many tools at your disposal. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.